In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can effortlessly share your Amazon wishlist on TikTok or any social media platform, really. Whether you want to share it with friends, family, or your community, it's super simple once you know what to do. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Amazon account. You can do this either from the comfort of your desktop or on the go with the Amazon app. It's totally up to you. Once you're logged in, head over to where your lists are stored. If you're using a desktop, you'll hover your mouse over Accounts and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear, and you can click on Your Lists from there. If you're on the mobile app, tap on Your Stuff, and then go straight to Your Lists. Now take a moment to select the specific wish list you want to share. Whether it's for your birthday, the holidays, or just because, make sure you've got the right one, especially if you have multiple lists saved. On the page of your selected list, look for a button labeled something like Invite, Share, or even Send List to Others. You'll usually find it near the top of the Lists page. Giving it a click will open up your sharing options. Here's an important part. You need to set the visibility or permissions for your list. Decide if you want others to just view it or allow them to view and edit, if that's something you're comfortable with. But, most importantly, the list shouldn't be private. It needs to be set to shared or public so that whoever you're sharing with can actually see it. Once you've set the permissions, look for an option to get a shareable link. This is usually labeled Copy Link or Copy and Share. Simply give it a click, and the link will be copied to your device's clipboard. Now that you have your link, let's switch over to TikTok. You can create a post, a video, or update your bio to include the link. If you're making a video, consider adding a captivating caption and then simply paste your Amazon wishlist link into it. Some regions allow you to even use a link sticker in your videos, which might be a fun option to explore. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to keep your list more visible in a static place, putting it in your TikTok bio works great too. Just pop it into the website field or wherever your link section might be. And there you have it. Once you've posted your video or updated your bio, all that's left to do is share it. Your followers can now easily click on the link to check out your wishlist. It's a great way to let them know what you're interested in, and maybe even get a few surprises coming your way.